Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to put your skills to the test with the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. Joining us today is Microsoft trainer Deborah Ashby. Check out her challenge coming up right now.
Hey everyone, are you ready for another Excel challenge? Here's the scenario. Now, in this challenge, we're aiming to calculate marathon start times for a list of athletes. And I thought this would be a nice exercise to do, as yesterday was the London Marathon. Now, we have quite a few different tasks to complete. And you can see that on the right-hand side, I have some instructions. Now, in this first table, we have a list of athlete names. We then have a blank column for their bib number, and then we have their current 10K time. So the first thing that I need you to do in this exercise is, based on each athlete's 10K time, I'd like you to calculate their estimated marathon finishing time. And you can see just above that the total marathon distance is 42 kilometers. So think about what calculation you might need to do to work that out. Once you have their estimated marathon finishing time, I'd like you to assign a bib number to them. And these bib numbers need to be random, and the numbers should be between 10000 and 99999. And I'd like you to ensure that there are no duplicate bib numbers. Now, once you've done that, that should effectively complete this little table of data. So I'd then like you to convert it to an Excel table and name that table Marathon 2025. In the next part of the exercise, we are picking columns out of this data and sorting them. So if you notice, in columns G to I have a column for athlete, a column for bib number, and a column for marathon time. I don't have a column for 10K time because at this stage, we're not really interested in their 10K time. So what I'd like you to do first is pick out of this data set these three columns, which are columns number 1, 2, and 4. And I'd like you to make sure that the marathon times are formatted correctly in an hours and minutes format. Once you have those columns output in columns G to I, I'd then like you to sort the list by the marathon time and then by the athlete name in ascending order, so that the fastest runner is at the top of the list. And then the final part of this exercise, once you have this sorted list, is if we scroll down in cell C38, I'd simply like you to enter the total number of athletes. Because by doing that, it's going to give you a bit more of an idea as to how to complete the final part. Because in cells B40 to D50, I'd like you to organize the marathon runners into even start groups or waves. So quite a few different parts of this exercise, and it's going to allow you to really flex your formula skills. I have my own solution that I happen to like very much. Can you figure out what it is? Download the exercise file and let me know if you have the answer before we release the solution video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to get notified.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!